So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.
So for today's video, pag-aaralan naman natin kung paano ang division of fractions. Okay, so paano nga ba mag-divide ng fractions? Madali lang. Okay, so first natin gagawin is to get the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, so pag reciprocal, pagbabalik na rin lang natin to. So 4 will become the numerator and then 1 will become the denominator. So magiging 1/3. Okay, and then ito yung reciprocal. Okay, and then we'll just use multiplication. Okay, so pag multiplication, of course, we will just multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So we'll get 1 times 4 is 4, and then 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, and reduce natin yan to its lowest form or convert natin sa mixed fraction and we'll get, okay, 1 and 1/3. So ang final answer natin, okay, 1/3 divided by 1/4 is equivalent to 1 and 1/3. Next example, we have 2/3 divided by 3/5. Okay, so ibaba lang natin yung 2/3 dito. Okay, and we get the reciprocal of the divisor again. Okay, so pagbabalik na rin lang natin yan. And we'll use the multiplication. So we'll get 5/3. Okay. Then same method. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So we'll get 10/9. Or convert natin sa mixed fraction and we'll get 1 and 1/9. Okay, so ito yung ating final answer. So 2/3 divided by 3/5 is equivalent to 1 and 1/9. Okay, so next example, we have 2/3 divided by 3. So since meron tayo ditong whole number, automatic yan na ang kanyang denominator is 1. So we'll put 1 here. Okay, and then same method. Okay, we'll bring down the dividend. Okay, which is 2/3. We'll use multiplication. Tapos kunin natin yung reciprocal ng divisor. So that will be, pagbabalik na rin lang natin yan. Okay, so that will give us 1/3. Okay, so multiplication process, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So that will be 2/9. Okay, and this is our final answer since wala na tayong lowest form nito. Okay, so 2/3 divided by 3 is equivalent to 2/9. Okay, so next example, we have 11/12 divided by 10/16. So same process lang yan. We'll get the reciprocal and proceed with the multiplication. So 11/12 times, we'll get the reciprocal ng divisor. Okay, so this will become 16/10. Okay, and proceed with multiplication, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. That will give us 176/120. Reduce natin to its lowest form and we'll get 22/15. Okay, convert natin yung improper to mixed fraction and we'll get 1 and 7/15. So ang final answer natin, okay, 11/12 divided by 10/16 is equivalent to 1 and 7/15. Okay, so next example, we have 4/7 divided by 3/4 divided by 1/2. So, meron tayo dito ngayong tatlong fractions. Okay? But, nevertheless, same process pa din yan. Okay? So, the dividend will remain the same and then we'll get the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, so, okay, baba natin yung 4/7. Okay, kunin natin yung reciprocal nito. Okay, pagbabalik na rin natin. So, we'll get 4/3. And same thing dito. Okay, we'll also get the reciprocal. So, we'll get 2/1. And we'll proceed with multiplication. So, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator to denominator. Okay, so let's solve now. 4 times 4, 16, times 2 is 32. Okay, and then 7 times 3 A is 21 times 1 is 21. Okay. Reduce natin yan to its lowest form and we'll get 1 and 11 over 21. Okay. So, ang final answer natin, 4/7 divided by 3/4 divided by 1/2 is equivalent to 1 and 11 over 21. So, napakadali lang, no? I hope marami kayo natutunan sa video na ito. And if you like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.